YouTube just announced it's going to pay out $100 billion to creators across the next 4 years. And I have some thoughts. I know that number looks absolutely massive, but there are 3 things you need to know that YouTube is not telling you. So here's what's up. First, that $100 billion figure is absolutely massive. It is spread out over the next 4 years, so that's $25 billion per year, or about $69 million per day. Now, here's the first thing that YouTube wants you to know. This payout includes ads, memberships, super chats, shorts, and merch integration. So if you sell merch, you do live streams, you have memberships, you place shorts, you make long-form videos, any of that stuff counts towards getting you a slice of that $100 billion pie. The second thing that they want you to know is why they're flexing this number so much right now. Is because YouTube is in a very public battle to be the top destination for content creators between TikTok and Twitch. They are trying to say, hey, come on over to YouTube because we're going to pay you more than anybody else. So good for them. If that gets more creators to come to YouTube, great. But just remember that number is spread out over 4 years. Now, here's the third thing that YouTube wants you to know. All of this is effectively brand new money. In the past, these revenue streams were siloed off, so things like memberships and super thanks and super chats and stuff like that were their own separate thing from ad revenue. Now all of those are kind of lumped together, and YouTube is taking a cut and then giving it to you. And yes, the cut that YouTube is taking is quite large, but that is how YouTube makes money. That is how they survive. And look, overall, this is a net positive for creators. There's no question about it. Because in the past, those revenue streams were separate, and you could only really monetize with ads. So if you wanted to make money on YouTube, you had to appeal to a brand. You had to get a brand deal, or you had to get sponsors. Those brand deals and sponsorships were typically 6-figure deals for big creators, and there was no way for small creators to really make any type of living. They would literally have to beg for money. You know, oh, hey, please sponsor me. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Please send money. Now at least they have other options. They have memberships, they have super thanks, they have super chats, they can sell merch, they can do shorts. All of these things help bring in revenue, and you don't have to be a huge creator to make a decent part-time income, or even a full-time income, doing all of these things. So my advice to you is this. If you're on YouTube, start thinking about all of these different revenue streams and how you can tap into them. If you only make long-form content, try making shorts. If you don't have memberships, think about starting one. If you're not selling merch, maybe that's something you should get into. There are so many different ways to make money on YouTube beyond just ads. And now that they're kind of lumped together, it's a lot easier to do. And if you didn't get your cut of that $100 billion, where's your money at? Let's fix that. So there you go. That is what YouTube's $100 billion payout actually means for you. Big numbers, big promises. We'll see what happens. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It helps me out. It helps me continue making videos just like this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.